Hello guys, it's your boy Anomaly from Sweden, and in today's video we have a pretty exciting update. Release notes for 1.4.22. First of all, they have some map changes to Ember and Vineyard. That is pretty shit. I don't play either of these maps because they're both danger zone maps. However, they fixed clipping and textures, which I guess is very important. Fixed loads of minor bugs. Thanks, Lazy. No, Lazy, you can go to hell. Who even fixes danger zone maps? Vineyard added collision outside of chapel. Yes, whatever. The important thing about this update, which you've probably seen from the thumbnail and the title, is this change. Inventory, introducing the sticker swap tool, which allows users to keep scraped stickers from weapon skins which would otherwise be removed. This is insane. The way it used to be is if you placed a sticker on a skin, they would be gone forever. The only way to get rid of it was to scrape it, but that would destroy the sticker. Now, the sticker is not destroyed, not removed, but kept if you have this sticker swap tool, which I guess works similarly to the stat track swap tool, but this is insane. This is gonna crash the market of stickers. This is like, I'm getting nostalgia to when they added stat track trade-up contracts, because no one thought they would actually ever do it, but finally, I guess they did it. Also here on the bottom, they did some UI changes, radial quick inventory. I guess this is just for the Steam Deck, which is, I guess, good, because in my Steam Deck video, I was quite laggy when playing. Hopefully this fixes some of the stuff, at least with a quick inventory and stuff. That's very nice. But now I want to check out the sticker swap tool. So the sticker swap tool is found under store, where you also see the storage unit, name tag, and the stat track swap tool. You also have this one, the sticker swap tool. It's 0.89 euros, so same price as the stat track swap tool. But in this one you get two, which is weird, because here you see 2-pack, but here you only get one. Why are they so greedy? Now, if we actually click the sticker swap tool, you will see that you have the sticker swap tool here in the middle. It says purchase sticker swap tool, and as you can see, it says this item will remove a sticker from a weapon skin without destroying the sticker. The sticker can then be applied to another weapon skin, and the sticker swap tool will be consumed. Yeah, so it works exactly like a stat track swap tool, where you get one use and then it's over. So, I guess I'll buy one of these and try it out. There we go, sticker swap tool, 0.89. Okay, let's buy it. And now we have it. God damn. So, now I want to try it out with the Stat Track M4 Zebra that I have, because this one, as you can see, has a pretty interesting sticker. Virtus Pro Kato 2014. And I guess I want to remove it. So, there we go. And then go down here to swap sticker. We're gonna click that. Sticker swap, which one? Yeah, the Virtus Pro, obviously. There we go. Okay, swapping this sticker will remove it from the item, but it will not be destroyed. Yeah, so swap sticker. And there we have it. Holy shit. Now we have both the sticker and the gun, you see, without the sticker. You have the Virtus Pro completely unused. This is crazy! Why are they... Oh my god! Oh, dude, I feel so bad for everyone who has, like, hella expensive stickers, and they're sitting now, and they're like, oh yeah, these are investments. And now they can just be reused like this. Oh my god. No way. No way. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna go on the market now, because it's still pretty early, and I'm gonna snipe some skins with stickers. Kato is 2014. This is one of the only ones that I can find. It has LGB, because I guess all the other ones have now been swapped. But for 270 euro, I think this one's gonna be probably under that. I mean, I guess there's still gonna be quite a few stickers that are decently rare. Because, I mean, Titan Hollow, for example, many of them are placed, yeah, but many of them are also in banned inventories or just lost with time. But these non-hollows, as you can see, there's already a lot. Like, you could buy this one, 287, and you'd get 5 Kato 14s from it. 2 Titans, which used to be like, I don't know, 2,000 euro. Oh my god. Okay, well, I'll be back once I've swapped some more stickers and see what I can do. So now I'm back. It's been like half an hour, and these are the ones that I could quickly find from the market. This one I haven't swapped the stickers on because I quite like the craft, and it was a gift from my friend Arctic. These other ones, however, I have swapped from skins, and now I have these raw. Now I think these are gonna go down in price pretty quickly, which is why I'm gonna try selling them as soon as possible. But I think, however, this update is really crazy. Like, I'm not saying this update is good or bad. I'm just saying that this is similar to when they added the stat track trade-ups. No one really thought that they were gonna add that because before then we hadn't had it, you know? It's like souvenir trade-ups. We don't think they're gonna add it. But if they do, it's gonna change the entire market, basically, which is insane. So I'm really interested to see how this plays out in the next like few weeks, when there are definitely gonna come more stickers into circulation. And other than that, the other update notes in this update were kinda shit, but they just dropped this huge bomb on us. It's crazy. So thank you guys for watching. Now I'm going to go frantically search for some more applied stickers so that I can swap them and sell them and hopefully not lose my house. Yeah, yeet. Oh yeah, also, it's 1st of April, so this video is completely fake. I just photoshopped the shit out of a bunch of menus and made it look really good. So I hope you don't actually follow the advice in this video, because it's all fake. Oh god.